In order to set up a markup on top of the net fares that we receive it from the supplier, we'll have to log in into the admin and then navigate to settings, then website settings, and we'll find all the modules that has been subscribed in the left hand side. Now let's say we want to increase the net fare of, suppose, the hotel around 5%. Okay, so we'll click on it, scroll down, and then we add 5% as a markup. The very same way, if you'd like to add a markup in the flights, we'll click on flights, navigate. Either we can set it up in percentage or flat, let's say 2% or 5%. This means this 5% will be added on top of the net fares, and the customer will see the marked up price, and he'll be making the payment of the marked up price. So this way we can add the markup on every single module that you have subscribed to. Do let us know in case if you have any questions or feedbacks in the below comment box, and do follow us for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.